What's up, party people? So, it is another day in my world. There's been a lot to catch up on, like a lot of work to do, a lot going on. Like, I can't even begin to explain to you. I don't know what he's watching on the TV, but anyways, just so much going on. I just finished a whole bunch of work, a couple meetings for the day. The great thing is, like, with me being over here in this time zone, when I wake up in the morning, I have the opportunity to do so much before my workday actually starts, unless I'm scheduling meetings in this time zone. So this morning, I had a meeting with a group in Spain and a group in Burkina Faso. So their time zones are closer to the time zone that I'm in. Therefore, I was able to have some early meetings, which means today I get to go out this afternoon. I get to go outside a little bit because sometimes, like, when there's just so much work to do, like, I don't get to go out, which, I mean, I guess I don't really need to be going out so much and spending my money, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, so today we are going to be going into town because we need to change these thingamajigs out here. I have some seats, like bamboo seats outside. I guess I'll just go outside and show you. Let me show you. Okay. So, okay, I have these seats here. They're like made out of bamboo seats. Okay, the frame and everything is made of bamboo. As you can see down here, like, the color is more vibrant. It's orange. I could probably just turn it inside out, but I think it's time for a change because this is clearly bun up and dry up and you know what I'm saying? So it needs a redo. It needs some refresh. So we're gonna bring these into town and just ask them to you know, change the material for us into something new, something different. We in a new era, okay? We in a new era. And then inside, we're gonna be doing some renovations, like, you know, changing up the couch and, you know, having a little something for around our TV, which currently is, you know, this whole setup with the chair as the table, you know. And yeah, so let's see how this thing with this man goes. Hopefully he doesn't give us no hassle. Yeah. All right, so we made it. They actually have some cute stuff out here. I really like this material. They got these hanging baskets going on. So they're over there working to figure out how we're gonna get that done, but there's a lot. Even down there, we got some flower pots and stuff like that. So here, like, you'll generally find bamboo made stuff, handmade stuff, just made on the roadside. But because of that, sometimes your table turns out shaky. You see how this table looks so topsy-turvy over there? It's because they're not working on level ground. So just know that your table is gonna be dipping on full flows a little. Okay. Use a coconut day keeps the doctor away. It's literally like drinking a Gatorade, you know, drinking that coconut.
Yeah, man.
So refreshing. Alright, so next stop, we had to come and find material that we'll use to cover our seats. There's just too many options, you know what I'm saying? Too many options. I don't like that one.
Yeah, I don't know.
Look at this. No, you're not putting it? Damn, there's just so many options. Like, it's hard to choose. Then I saw this one.
Oh, I know.
I like this one.
Yeah.
Bay likes this one.
Hey, you like this one too?
It's okay. my gosh, guys, look how it's just holding on by a thread. Yeah, should I rip it off? Like, I'm just afraid that it will drop on the ground, you know? I have to take it off. I don't want my locks just out there in the wild on their own. Anyways, we're at the paint store where we're here to buy paints to paint the house. It's just like any other paint store. You got all your tools, your brushes, everything. Your paint. And your options. So we're going with Timeless, because I guess it's the closest to white. Oh gosh, so we're at another, like we're at a night out, okay, just in town. Tonight we're having another Ghana dish. This here is banku and tilapia. Okay, banku is made out of corn dough. It kind of has like, doesn't really taste like corn. It kind of does, but it's not, doesn't really. But it also, to me, has like a lemon taste. Does it have lemon taste to you? Yeah, right? Okay, and then we have the tilapia. So it's a real big tilapia with some red onion, green pepper, tomato, and matzo pepper. And yeah, let me show you. Let me give you a better picture. So here it is.